selecting and properly using automotive additives. The selection of automotive additives is a significant decision for vehicle owners, and they often encounter a wide range of options available at gas stations, dealerships, auto parts stores, workshops, and even during oil changes. The variety of products can leave consumers unsure about which additives are necessary and suitable for their vehicle. Regarding recommended additives, it is suggested to use a dispersant and detergent additive for regular gasoline. For the cooling system, the recommendation is a mixture consisting of half demineralized water and half ethylene glycol additive. It is important to note that this mixture can be purchased ready-made optionally from various automotive establishments. Additionally, to enhance the effectiveness of windshield and headlight cleaning, there is the option to use a specific shampoo that should be diluted in water if necessary. However, it is crucial to emphasize that when it comes to additives for vehicle oils and fluids, the use of any additive is not recommended. Adding additives to automotive oils or fluids can impair the performance and durability of these components, as well as void manufacturer warranties. Therefore, the primary guidance is as follows: the selection and use of automotive additives should be done with discretion. It is essential to understand the specific needs of the vehicle and follow the manufacturer's recommendations regarding additives. Properly caring for your vehicle means making informed decisions about the use of additives, always prioritizing the long-term health and performance of the automobile.